cleanup. Let's go.
Here we are on day 2. Today we cleaned out all of the junk, all the trash, all the furniture. There was all sorts of food and like empty soda, carpet. So we just took everything out of every single room. We ended up chopping up the furniture into smaller pieces because the stairs are so steep in this house that we figured we're not going to use the furniture, and if there was any sort of usage of unlawful products, that I would want it to be disposed of properly. So after we got all the furniture out, it was cleanup. It was sweeping up all the rat poop, all the excess furniture pieces, and everything else. And look how bright it is with that board off the wall. And then there's my dad taking down furniture we chopped up, and we ripped up all the carpet. So we had to cut the carpet into small pieces so that we can fit it all in the truck to take it to the dump. And that is what we did. And I had never chopped up carpet before, but it's pretty easy. You just get a sharp utility knife. And here we go. Seeing the house in this state after getting all of the furniture and all the carpet and everything ripped up really gave me a fresh sense of hope. I mean, it's a lot of work and it can be daunting for sure, but it looks beautiful. It's coming along, and every step is progress. You gotta count your wins and everything. And there was so much different color of carpet in here. There was gray, blue, green, all sorts of carpet. I think these people just pieced it together, but we're gonna make it all uniform, all one color floor. It's gonna be beautiful. It was really cool to see the old original 1906 flooring in the house. It is just sad though, because all of the carpet glue or linoleum glue, I'm not sure, completely covered it, and it's going to be so much to try to restore this. So we're just going to put flooring on top of it.
Day 1 demo. So this is what we got done today. So got all the furniture out. It already looks like a whole new house. And all the carpet, almost. Ran out of garbage bags. Got to tear up all this flooring. Got all the rat poop almost all picked up. We gonna have to work on that. I don't know what that is, but funny thing, there's 2 windows. There's one here, and then there's another one. So clearly there was some sort of funny business. I don't know what was going on. So got this all cleaned out. This closet, this desk is like super heavy, so I haven't got that carpet and that desk out. And this bed frame, we just worked around it. It's huge, super heavy, but all the carpet's taken out, and we are ready to start whatever else we gotta do. Gotta take this out. And I didn't show the bathroom, but this bathroom is not in the worst shape in the world. This apparently is a propane stove thing. I think this got to go. Follow along to see what happens next.